A very good morning to all of you and welcome back to our YouTube study channel Study Adda. So today it's 20th June and we'll be discussing important 15 current affairs today. So let's start with the first question of the day. Who has launched a new startup named Navi? And this has been started by Flipkart owner Sachin Bansal. Right answer is option B, Sachin Bansal, who is also the Flipkart owner. This Navi startup helps in providing instant personal loans to the middle class incomes. To the middle class income family. Coming to next, who has been chosen as the greatest Indian Test batsman of all time? And with 52% votes, Rahul Dravid has been chosen in the poll as the greatest Indian Test batsman of all time. And this poll was conducted by Wisden India. Next, which bank has partnered with UDMA to launch Yuva Pay mobile app? So this answer will be very easy for you to remember. Y for Yuva Pay and Y for Yes Bank, because when you come at the end of the day just before exam, you get to know so many mobile apps from so many banks, but this one will be a bit easier for you. Y for Yuva and Y for Yes Bank. So the right answer is option A, Yes Bank. Next, what is the rank of India in the recently released annual banking statistics 2019 for keeping money in Swiss National Bank? And with 0.06% of deposit by all the foreigners, India ranks 77th. Option C, 77th is the right answer. India holds only 0.06% of the total aggregate funds deposited by all the foreigners in the Swiss national banks, while Britain tops the list with 27% of the total deposits by the foreigners. Next, Mahaparvana is an initiative by which state government to boost investment? And the right answer is option B, Maharashtra. This is interesting one. Who will host the FIFA Women's World Cup 2023? And this will be hosted by Australia and New Zealand both. Right answer is option D, both Australia and New Zealand will host the FIFA Women's World Cup 2023. Next, MSME Day is observed globally on which day? And this is observed globally on 27th June. Spelling has been wrong by mistake, globally. The right answer for this is 27th June is observed as MSME Day. Micro, small, medium enterprises. Micro, small and medium enterprises, MSME. Next, Kohala hydropower project is located on which river? So the right answer for this is Jhelum River. Option A, Jhelum River. Tripartite Power Purchase Agreement TPPA was signed between Pakistan, China and government of Pakistan. And government of POK, Pakistan Occupied Kashmir, Azad Kashmir government there for the construction of the hydropower project. So that's why this Kohala power project was in news, which is situated near Jhelum River. Option A. Next, which ministry on the call of Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced to celebrate a 2-week lawn tree plantation campaign called Sankalp Parva? And this has been announced by Ministry of Culture. Option D, Ministry of Culture. And you must know who is the current Ministry of Culture. It is Prahlad Joshi. It is Prahlad Joshi from Karnataka. Now, 5 trees which are to be planted during this Sankalp Parva are Bardad, Avla, Peepal, Ashok and Bel. Next, At One Click is an initiative of which state government for MSMEs and other big industries? So the right answer for this is option D, Gujarat has started this initiative. Option D, Gujarat. Next, Apollo Tyres to start operating its new manufacturing plant in which state? The foundation stone of this manufacturing plant was already laid in the year 2018, and now it is going to start its manufacturing plant, and this is situated in Andhra Pradesh. Right answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. And you also must know there are total 7 such manufacturing plants of Apollo Tyres globally in the world, and this one is the 5th in India, and this plant in Andhra Pradesh is the 5th in India and 7th in globally in the world. And the headquarter of Apollo Tyre is in Gurugram, Haryana. Next, Tilari Forest Area, which was declared as conservative reserve, is located in which state? So this is located in Maharashtra. Right answer is option D, Maharashtra. Next, who becomes the first Indian to participate in USD 1.5 lakh Chessable Masters tournament? So the right answer for this is option D, P. Hari Krishna. P. Hari Krishna. Next, name the person who heads the committee formed by National Green Tribunal NGT to investigate the blowout at Assam's Badjan oil well. And this is headed by option D, BP Tatate. BP Tatate. And the last question of the day, who attended Victory Day Parade from India in Russia? Who attended the Victory Day Parade in Russia from India? And this was attended in Russia by Rajnath Singh. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh is the right answer here. And in that parade, 75 Indian military contingent from all the 3 services, Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, participated during this Victory Day Parade in Russia on 24th June. So that's all from today. Take care, stay safe.